Sentences using comparative form of adjectives. Sentences using comparative form of adjectives. Welcome, and in the previous video, we looked at comparative form of adjectives. And today we are going to look at sentences using comparative form of adjectives. Okay, let's start. You should be more careful today. You should be more careful today. Remember, we said comparative form of adjectives, the suffixes, we have more and er. So in this case, we used more careful. You should be more careful today. And this in Luganda is gwe olina okubeera omwegendereza nnyo leero. Gwe olina okubeera omwegendereza nnyo leero. Okay, let's proceed. Kato is more worried about his coming. Kato is more worried about his coming. And this in Luganda is Kato yeeraliikiridde nnyo olw'okujja kwe. Kato yeeraliikiridde nnyo olw'okujja kwe. Okay, let's proceed. The dress is bigger than my body. The dress is bigger than my body. And this in Luganda is ekiteeteeyi kinene nnyo okusinga omubiri gwange. Ekiteeteeyi kinene nnyo okusinga omubiri gwange. Remember, dress is ekiteeteeyi in Luganda. Body is omubiri. Okay, let's proceed. Peter is shorter than Paul. Peter is shorter than Paul. And remember, we said in comparative form, we compare two things or two objects. In this case, we have two people, Peter and Paul. That's why here we use shorter. Peter is shorter than Paul. And this in Luganda is Peter yasinga obumpi okusinga Paulo. Peter yasinga obumpi okusinga Paulo. So in this case, shorter is yasinga obumpi, as we saw. Another example, an insect is smaller than fish. An insect is smaller than fish. A point to note, here we have two objects. We have fish and insect. So in this case, small changes to smaller since we are in comparative form. So an insect is smaller than fish. We use smaller. And this in Luganda is akawuka katini nnyo okusinga ekyennyanja. Akawuka katini nnyo okusinga ekyennyanja. So an insect is akawuka, fish is ekyennyanja. Hope you've noted that. Okay, let's proceed. I feel more comfortable now. I feel more comfortable now. And this in Luganda is Inze impulira emirembe mingi kati. Inze impulira emirembe mingi kati. The younger boy died of malaria. The younger boy died of malaria. And this in Luganda is omulenzi asinga obuto, because younger. Omulenzi asinga obuto yafudde omusujja. Omulenzi asinga obuto yafudde omusujja. Another one, kings are wiser men. Kings are wiser men. And this in Luganda is bakabaka basajja bagezi. Bakabaka basajja bagezi. Okay, hope you've got something. Let's meet up in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Wait a